Having looked at the types of activities and resources available on the e-learning platform, the focus of this session will be to look at how to edit sections on the course page. The first step in editing or adding new activity is to enable editing by clicking on the action menu icon and choosing Turn Editing On. Note that only users with the roles of lecturers will be able to use this feature. After clicking on Turn Editing On, you will now be able to add or edit an activity or a resource. Editing the first or the general section. The first section of the course dashboard is the Introduction section. This section is used to provide basic information about the course, or to welcome students to the course. Here, you can provide the course title, course overview, and instructor or lecturer's name. You can also provide documents and other information such as course outlines, recommended books, links, announcements, and others. To edit this section, click on Edit at the top right-hand corner of the section and choose Edit Section. This will take you to the Edit General page. It is always simple to click on Expand All at the top right-hand corner to show all the items, or Collapse All to hide them. Under the General section, you will first find Section Name. To change the section name, click on the checkbox beside Custom and type in the text box beneath it the custom label you would like to use for that section. By default, the section is labeled General. After the section name, you will find the summary setting. The idea of a summary is for you to provide a short text or note to prepare students for the course and activities within the course. This is where you can provide the course description, course objectives, lecturer information, and others. Next is the Restrict Access setting. This is used to restrict access to activities in this content. The Restrict Access feature enables instructors to restrict the availability of any activity, or even a course section according to certain conditions such as dates, grade obtained, group, or activity completion. Once you are done with all the settings, click on Save Changes to save all your changes. Now to edit any other sections on the course page, click on the Edit link at the top right-hand corner of that particular section and choose. For instance, to edit Topic 1, just click on Edit, and select Edit Topic, and then you will be taken to the Edit General page where you can edit that section, the summary, and add access restrictions to the section. I can change the course name to Introduction to Microsoft Office. Under Summary, I can also add a short descriptive summary like this one. Finally, I can also restrict access to this particular section by clicking on Add Restrictions. From the dialog box, you can set restrictions based on either activity completion, date, grade, user profile, or restriction set. I can, for instance, add a date restriction to this section such that students will only see this activity from 1st October till 10th October 2021. To do that, click on Add Restriction and select Date. Now set the date to 1st October. You can also set the time if you want to. Secondly, click on Add Restriction again and select Date. This time, change the setting from the current one, which is from to until, and set the deadline to 10th October, 2021. You can also set the time as well. Now once you are done with the changes, click on Save Changes and return to the course. You will see that all the changes have taken effect. You can also click on the pencil icon beside the activity name to quickly edit the title of that activity. Once you are done typing, just press the Enter key on the keyboard to effect the changes. Again, you can use this edit icon, and from there, you can highlight, hide, or delete a section. The highlight topic is used to highlight a particular section as a way of emphasizing the section. You can always undo it by clicking on Remove Highlight. The Hide or Show topic is also used to either hide or show the topic or activity from students' view. Finally, the Delete topic is used to delete unwanted sections from the course entirely. Note that this action cannot be undone. Now, before we end this session, let's take a look at what this edit icon beside the activity or resource does, and what actions you can perform with it. The edit settings enable you to edit the activity or resource. We will take a detailed look at this in the upcoming videos as we learn how to set up an activity. The move right is used to indent a particular activity or resource. As you indent it to the right, you will get an additional chance to move or indent leftwards as well. The show is used to hide the activity/resource from students' view. The duplicate can also be used to create a copy or a duplicate of a particular activity or resource. Next is the assign roles. This option helps you to assign roles to users of the activity or resource and determine what they can and cannot access. The delete is used to delete unwanted activity or resources from the course entirely. Note that this action cannot be reversed. In the next video, we will be looking at how to set up a quiz.